Okay, just a quick overview of a new model by K-Swiss. This is the CASAL. It's C-A-S-A-L. You know, they have another model called the CASAL, which kind of sounds the same. If you said the C-A-S-A-L, you might want to say CASAL, but since they have the CASAL, we're going to call this the CASAL. This is a suede colorway with a white heel tab. This is a new silhouette, brand new silhouette, and it's hard to tell, but this is actually a little bit of an off-white sole, midsole, and it's a one-piece sole. Actually, I take it back. There's a white midsole with a gray sole. So hey, I was wrong. But the gray sole matches the gray suede. That is one colorway that I have. These just came out, and this was out originally. This was the first one that came out. This is the standard white colorway. I've got another one that's on the way. It's a navy blue with a gum sole that just came out. I think these are a great universal shoe. It's got a nice big thick sole, super comfortable. I wore these for a couple of days out and about. Put a couple miles on them. They felt really comfortable. What I really like is the sole's stiff enough that you don't get any creasing, which I really hate in a shoe. I hate creasing across the toe. So these did really, really well with that. So the CASAL by K-Swiss. It's a brand new silhouette. I really like the height of this heel tab. It's a nice big K-Swiss logo. It's a cool setup. I really like it. And the gray ones I just got, like I said, the gum soles. Let me see here. The gum soles will be on their way, which would be the third colorway that they're coming out with. I really like this unit. It's a really nice silhouette. Pick them up at kswiss.com. CASAL, the CASAL by K-Swiss.